Doggies Man, and this is my dog, Queenie. I was gonna show my dog Dolly, but well, you can't see her. So this is Queenie. She's a little shy. Say hi. She is a Doberman Pinscher, and she's a puppy. She's pudgy, real pudgy. Pretty little Queenie. She's a little bit scared because she's on TV. Yeah, so this series is just all about introducing my dogs and, talking about their stories and stuff. And, yeah, doing tricks with them and showing you guys what my dogs can do and stuff. And it's not really being much of a show off because I'm also going to be training them, so, yeah. Cleaning, my grandma got from my uncle who went to Virginia. Well, he's not in Virginia. Well, I'm not going to say that. Anyways, he's close to Virginia, anyways. She's a little pudgy. We got her when she was about this big. She's like that big, and yeah. So she's tiny. She's scared. She can't even get off. She can't. I can totally understand why she can't get off this back. I mean, my big dog, one of the biggest dogs that we have, because we have 5 of them, can't even get up on the bed. So I can't blame her. But she can't even get on my couch. It's like so. Well, she can't get on it. She can't even get up on a couch chair. So weird, but she loves to eat. It's my little girl, Queenie. Anyways, yeah, so this is Queenie, and yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe, all that other YouTuber stuff. So say goodbye, Queenie. Bye. Got it on TV. See ya. I'm sorry, technical difficulties.